So, for this video, I'm gonna share yung mga nakuha kong freebies from the event. And I would like to thank everyone. Lalo na to, ang cutie sobra nito. This one. I wanna unbox it in front of you guys. Actually, this was just given to me by my friend. Tapos, I was really not expecting kasi, like, I was actually didn't paano ba explain? Like, hindi ako nag-expect ng any freebie. And then, it's so overwhelming kasi sobrang dami. Like, parang ito itself, sobrang dami. Super dami. I'm gonna unbox it in front of you guys. This one is from Korea. Thank you kay Attorney. And, like, I don't want to open. I was planning to open it para, i-smell. Pero parang mas maganda pag nakasealed na lang siya. This one is from, fresh from Korea. Charot lang. Tapos, this one, thank you so much. Kay, wala siyang pangalan. Actually, yeah, wala siyang name. Pero yeah, thank you. Also, this one, the ate was like finding for freebie. And sabi ko parang wala na. Because, I got my new morning. And then, namigay siya. And, yeah. Ako yung nabigyan instead. Siya yung humingi. And then, this one is so nice then. Look, it's back to back. Lalo na to. This one is one of my favorite. Kasi diba meron yung parang official na And look, it's hollow. Thank you kay Ate Arian. It's so nice. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa. And then this one, meron na ako pang anik-anik ko. And then this one is, actually, my friend got this. Sabi ko, ang cute naman yan. Pero wala na kasi. And then, she gave it to me. And this one is by Taeyeon Cart. Ang cutie, egg, the highlight of the event. Actually, everything is related to Taeyeon. Not just the egg. But also the butterfly. This one, the butterfly. And this one, yung mismong banner. And then, yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. Also, this one is pinakukay ko sa friend ko. Wait. It's not really, I use the word hukay kasi it's like a lot. And then, I saw people posting it na parang may amoy siya. So, inamoy ko ngayon, may amoy talaga siya. So, I didn't expect na, I mean like, I got them. Pero yeah, ayusin ko siya. And then, wala kasi akong magandang box. Pero, ito na lang siya ilalagay. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa ganitong garapon. Kasi sayang naman pagka nawala yung amoy, diba? Pero anyways, teka. Ayun. So, I think there's I'm gonna show you the content of this muna. And I'm gonna show you the messages. Ikakalat ko siya later sa table. Anyways, I'm so sorry if magulo tong video kasi wala akong standee. Hindi ko nahanap yung standee ko. Anyways, this one is giveaway. Ang cutie talaga sobra. Sobrang bet na bet ko siya. Thank you, Kuya JP. This one. Ito yung page nila, Bigyan ako sa akin ni Kuya JP. Super ganda talaga, as in. Tapos, super nice kasi he didn't just give me. I was with a friend and he gave her them. Super generous. I mean, like, we didn't ask for it. Wow! Alam mo kasi, wala kasi nakuha ang card or souvenir. So, parang with these alone, parang, pwede ko na siya i-frame. Kita ba? Ayun. Ang ganda. I like it so much. Ang dami. Wait lang Sorry kasi one hand lang yung nagagamit ko kasi wala nga akong standee. Wow. Ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Super nice na egg. Alam mo kasi, may nakita ko sa elevator na meron siyang parang plushie ng egg. Hindi kasi nakakuha nun. Tapos nasa labas siya namimigay. So, I can't go out anymore. Meron akong egg. Gusto ko kasi ng egg. Like, how do I explain it? Ang cute. Sobrang cutie. Wow, may pin pa siya, Sorry, ang pangat ng camera na to. Feeling ko sira yung camera ko. Nag-flicker na siya. Uy, dalawa yung niya. Cutie patruti. Tapos, ito yung kanina. And then, this one, it's so cute. Is it the car? They made it like tiny version. It's so nice. And then, oh, diba? Back to back po. The tents. Ayun. So, yeah. Share ko lang yung laman niya. And then, I'm gonna place all of everything of these sa isang box. And then, na nga, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung yung sa messages. This one. Actually, nabawasan na to. This one, no. Kaya nga sa friend ko, ngayon ko na-realize na I was like, parang thinking about the paper bag. Kasi parang hassle na tanggalin pa. Sabi ko, tanggalin na yung gamit niya. And then, use the other bag. And then, I just realized, it's the Bubu favorite niya. Tapos, binigay niya sa akin paper bag niya. Parang nakonsensya ako. Hindi ko lang na-realize kasi syempre pagod ako that night. Hindi ko rin napansin yung paper bag na design. It's the Bubu. Anyways. So, ayan. Thanks to my friend who hakot this. Should I scatter everything sa table? Wait na nga. Oops. Wait. I think I need to remove everything. Wait. Alam mo yung sa area namin, wala masyadong may light stick doon. Kung alam ko lang talaga, sana pala dinala ko. Kasi parang naging black yung sa area namin. Parang 3 lang kami may light stick doon. Ayun ako. Anyways, sa next concert, babawi ako. Meron kasi yung mga extras. Hindi ko naisip na marami pa palang wala. Naamoy ko siya ngayon. So, diyan dito po. Ay, may isa pa pala ako freebie. Ito, meron pa akong resibo. May resibo pa. Teka. Meron pa pala isang freebie. What's this? Oh, 2 pala. How come? Uy, 2 pala nakuha ko. Ito rin naman isa pa. Baka sa friend ko to. I'm gonna ask her. Kasi yung this one lang yung binigay sa akin nung, ni attorney. So, yun yung kanina. Ito yun, meron ako kanina. So, I think sa friend ko tong set na to. Feeling ko hindi niya alam. I think I should ask her. Wait, I think I need to. Anyways. So, ito na nga. I think I need to segregate it. Kasi parang, ang kalat pala. I need to segregate. Kasi may iba parang sira. Like, example, this one, crumpled. I-separate ko siya. Yung mga hindi masyadong magaganda. Pero lahat siya may scent. Abango, may amoy nga siya. So, ayun. Ito yung some of the messages. Tadan! And then, actually, alam nyo, super na ko nito. This one is the best. Ang cute to. Look at the tens. Look ko. Teo needs on forever. I'm gonna keep this. Anyway, so, ayun yung mga ibang messages. I think, gawin ko na lang yung segregation after nitong video kasi hindi ko kaya ng isang kamay lang. And yeah, i-store ko siya dito. sa garapon ko na lang siya ilalagay. Anyway, so yeah, yun na yun. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Paano yung thumbnail ko? Ganyan lang. Ang kalat. Bye. Thank you for watching.